I'm a big fan of dad jokes, but I need a little help. So I bought this 365-day calendar. It's a desk calendar, and it's got dad jokes. Let's go ahead and open it up here. And it's an illustrated one. I'm sure this one is going to be a great gift idea as well. Let me get it out of the box here. So I think it'd make a great gift. This is a stand-up desk calendar. It's like a pad. It's kind of neat. The months are in colored. It's pretty neat. You've got your day of the week there. Of course, your illustrated jokes. I won't spoil them. You've got a heavy cardboard back, and underneath here there's sort of a kickstand. So this will open up right out of the back and allow you to stand it up on your desk real easily. Get it up here on a flat area, and then it's kind of facing you. Put it over here. It's kind of facing you, and each day you just peel off the new one, and you can use the old ones, put them in a letter or something, stick them on the wall if they're a good one to keep. And these are all illustrated. Hope this helps.